Hello, my dear subscriber, our friends, and our lovely fans. A warm welcome to my amazing channel, Fashion Addiction. Friends, how are you all? This channel is uniquely and especially designed for fashion addict all over the world. And friends, we are showing you the variety of dressing styles and updated fashion. Hope you will be fine. This is our YouTube channel, and I'm gonna show you some of the best and the latest designs of leather jumpsuits designs for lovely women. My dear viewers, these leather jumpsuits are so warm and gorgeous that you can confidently wear them without any worry, informal. So friends and my lovely fans, these jumpsuits are picked very carefully with the vision that every article suits you in every way possible. So friends and my lovely fans, it would be an honor for me to serve you daily if you hit that like button also. And friends, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I will wait for your kind comments and also try to answer all your queries of any type of fashion you need. So my dear friends, these beautiful styles are bound to give ideas for your own outfit, no matter your celebrations theme. My dear friends, you can see latest dresses, baby dresses, handbags, shoes, and everything that is related to current fashion. You can also watch every new fashion which is trending. So friends and my lovely fans, we have a huge variety of anything which is related to your fashion. And if you have an impressive sense of fashion, we can definitely learn something from you. Friends, take a look at this video and stay updated to my amazing channel, Fashion Addiction, because this channel provides you latest fashion news and lifestyle events in your country. And you will daily find a couple of videos about all type of fashion and all type of dresses designs. So friends and my lovely viewers, this is our today's video. We hope you must like our content and tell us your reviews in the comment section. Now friends, show your love by like, share and subscribe our channel, and you can make sure you press the bell icon so you can never miss any future update from my channel, Fashion Addiction. Love you all guys.